Tatiana from Tatiana Math Resources. We'll be looking at a CSEC paper 2019 question 3. So here we have the question. It says B, triangle ABC with vertices A 1, 1, B 1, 4, C 3, 1 is shown on the diagram below. So let's do that. So 8, so that means here is 1. So that is 1, 1. Here is 1 also. 3, 5. Said B is 1, 4. And C is 3, 1. So here is 3. Triangle ABC is mapped onto LMN by a reflection in the x-axis followed by a reflection in the y-axis. Alright, so let's underline the important parts here. We first have to do a reflection in the x-axis followed by 1 in the y-axis. So we know that this is the y-axis. We have it there. Y, let's just write it a little bigger. Y-axis, and here is the x-axis. Right, so that means that we're going to reflect first over the x-axis. Okay, we're going to reflect first ABC in this part of the Cartesian plane over the x-axis, and then we're going to reflect that over the y-axis. So how do we do that? We just count. So here is the mirror line, our x-axis. So A is 1 unit away, so that means here. And let's label it as A prime. Let me put on a different color. So we're here, and that's A prime. C is 1 unit away, that means here is C. So C prime. And then we have B. So we count 1, 2, 3, 4 squares away. So on the other side of the mirror, 1, 2, 3, 4. So B prime. Let's connect these points. Okay, let me do that again. So that's our triangle there. So we understand that when we reflect over the x-axis, the y coordinates would change. Hence why we have A was 1, 1, now it's 1, negative 1. And you can see that 1, and here would be negative 1. Okay, so now we're going to reflect this triangle here over the y-axis. So we do the same method. So we're going to use a different color. So it is 1 square away, so 1 square on the opposite side. So that we're going to name that now L. Okay, B is 1 square away, so same thing here. That will be our M. And then C is 1, 2, 3 squares away, so 1, 2, 3. So this is going to be our N. Connect the points. Let's just erase these ticks. All right. And then let's connect. Connect the points. Of course, you would have a ruler in the exam to do this. Okay. So we will understand that the rule is when you're reflecting in the y-axis, the x value is going to change, and we can see that. So L is -1, -1, M is -1, -4, and N is -3, -1. All right. Here we have part 2 of the question, which states, describe fully a single transformation that maps triangle ABC onto LMN. So here we have our diagram, as in what we did in the previous question. So you notice that we are moving from A, B, C to L, M, N. So in other words, we want to figure out what is the transformation that moves this triangle to here. Okay, so A is now L. Okay, M would be B. So let's connect that. You would of course have a ruler in the exam, and you notice that it's passing through the origin, and the type of angle is a straight angle. So describe fully this single transformation. What it is a rotation because you can see that the triangle was upright before ABC, and now it's upside down, it's rotated. All right, so a rotation of 180 degrees about the origin, 0, 0. Now for 1 mark, you're being asked to state the 2x2 matrix for the transformation that maps triangle ABC onto triangle LMN. Now this is something that you learn, okay? And that matrix, that single matrix, is -1, 0, 0, -1. So state. All right, 1 mark. This is Tatiana from Tatiana Math Resources. We were looking at 2019 past paper, question 3. Thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, leave a comment. Stay tuned for more.